Imagine this. You walk into a room and start speaking English, and people actually stop and think, wow, this person is confident and fluent.
Sounds amazing, right? But most people struggle because they're translating in their head or stuck in fear.
Today, we'll change that. You'll learn 10 daily habits that will boost your English fluency and vocabulary starting today, step by step.
And the best part? You don't need expensive courses or grammar books, just simple, daily habits that anyone can do.
Welcome to English with Me, the channel where English becomes simple, practical, and fun.
Here, you'll learn to speak confidently, think in English naturally, and use it in real-life situations.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon because your journey to fluent English starts right now. Habit number 1. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? Isn't that weird?
It might feel weird at first, but this is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. When you talk to yourself, there's no fear of making mistakes. No judgment, no pressure. You can experiment freely.
Okay, but what should I say?
Start with daily routines. Describe everything you do.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my face.
I need to make breakfast.
Today is going to be a productive day.
Can I do this outside too?
Absolutely. When walking, observe your surroundings and describe them.
The sky is clear and blue.
The birds are singing beautifully.
The wind is cool on my face.
Should I also talk about my thoughts and feelings?
Definitely. Narrate your emotions and plans. I feel excited about today's meeting.
I hope the traffic isn't bad.
I'm feeling confident trying this new recipe.
So I'm practicing full sentences, not just words. Exactly. Full sentences train your brain to think in English naturally.
What if I'll forget a word?
Pause, look it up, then repeat the sentence correctly. For example,
Wrong. I is happy today.
correct, I am happy today.
Should I also pretend to talk to other people too?
Yes, imagine conversations with friends, family, or colleagues. For example,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Did you watch the latest movie?
That helps me practice conversation structures too.
And here is a mini exercise. Every morning, spend 5 to 10 minutes narrating your day, feelings, and plans. Then, in the evening, review and correct any mistakes. Your fluency will improve faster than you think.
Wow, this turns my entire day into an English practice session.
Exactly. Make it a habit, and gradually your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
Habit number 2. Learn 5 new words daily.
Only 5 words? That seems easy.
Yes, but the power is in consistency. 5 words a day equals 150 words in a month and over 1,800 words in a year. That's enough to dramatically improve your vocabulary.
But I always forget new words quickly.
That's normal. The key is not just memorizing, but using the words in sentences, stories, and daily conversations.
Can you give examples?
Oh, of course. Let's pick 5 new words. Astonishing. The magician's trick was astonishing. Frequent. I make frequent trips to the library. Confident. She felt confident before the presentation. Curious. He was curious about the new technology. Delicious. The chocolate cake was absolutely delicious. Habit number 3. Listen before you speak.
Why is listening more important than speaking? I thought practice is speaking.
Listening is the foundation. You cannot speak correctly if you don't know how English sounds, how words are connected, or the natural rhythm of speech.
So, what's the best way to listen effectively?
Start with everyday English sources, podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, TV shows, or even songs. But don't just play them in the background. Listen actively. Focus on pronunciation, intonation, pauses, and connected speech.
Can you give an example of connected speech?
Sure. Take going to. Native speakers say gonna. Instead of I am going to watch a movie, they say I'm gonna watch a movie. Or want to becomes wanna. Do you want to eat turns into do you wanna eat.
Oh, I never noticed that before.
That's why listening first is so important. Your brain needs to hear natural English before you can speak it.
Should I repeat what I hear?
Absolutely. This is called shadowing. Listen to a short sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Pronunciation, stress, and intonation.
Can you show an example of shadowing?
Sure. Imagine a sentence from a podcast. I can't believe how amazing this place is. Pause and repeat exactly. I can't believe how amazing this place is. Notice the stress on can't and amazing and the rhythm of the sentence.
So by repeating, I train both my ears and mouth.
Exactly. And here's a mini exercise for habit 3. Pick a 1-minute English clip. Listen carefully. Note any words you don't know. Repeat each sentence aloud 3 to 5 times. Try to mimic exactly tone, speed, and stress.
Doing this every day will definitely improve my pronunciation and fluency.
Yes, even 10 to 15 minutes of focused listening and shadowing daily makes a huge difference over time. Habit number 4, reading aloud every day.
I read silently already. Why read aloud?
Because reading silently improves comprehension, but reading aloud trains fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Your mouth and brain work together, and your brain remembers sentence structures faster.
So I can read anything aloud.
Yes. Start with short news articles, stories, or dialogues. Gradually move to longer texts. Focus on correct pronunciation, natural pauses, intonation, and stress.
Should I also act like a character?
Absolutely. Pretend you are a character in a story. For example, if reading a dialogue, I can't believe you did that. Read it with emotion. If it's excited, sound excited. If it's sad, sound sad.
That makes reading more fun.
Yes. Here's a mini exercise for habit 4. Pick a short paragraph. Read aloud slowly, sentence by sentence. Highlight any words you don't know and practice them separately. Repeat the paragraph 2 to 3 times until it sounds natural.
How long should I practice this every day?
Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough to notice improvement in pronunciation and fluency.
And this also improves vocabulary, right?
Exactly. While reading aloud, you see words in context and remember them naturally. Habit number 5. Watch and mimic English content.
Mimic, like copy everything the speaker says?
Yes, but intentionally. Pick a short clip, a movie scene, a YouTube video, or a dialogue. Play 5 seconds, pause, and repeat exactly how the speaker says it. Pronunciation, tone, and speed.
Sounds fun, but how does it help fluency?
It helps you speak like native speakers. You learn rhythm, intonation, and natural expressions. This is called shadowing, just like habit 3.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine a sentence from a show. I can't believe you did that. Repeat exactly. I can't believe you did that. Notice the stress, tone, and emotion.
So it's not just words, it's feeling English naturally.
Exactly. Another tip. Mimic body language or gestures if it's a video. Your brain remembers gestures and expressions linked to English phrases, which helps speaking in real life.
How long should I do this daily?
Just 5 to 10 minutes of focused mimic practice daily makes a huge difference. Even short daily practice is better than long sessions once a week.
Any mini exercise?
Yes. Pick a 30-second clip from a show or YouTube video. Play 5 seconds, pause, repeat aloud. Imitate tone, stress, and speed. Try to record yourself and compare with the original.
That will help me notice my mistakes and improve faster.
To summarize part 2 so far. Habit 3. Listen actively before speaking. Shadow short clips. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and stress. Habit 4. Read aloud daily. Train fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Habit 5. Watch and mimic English content. Learn natural expressions, intonation, and rhythm.
These 3 habits combined, listening, reading, and mimicking, will drastically improve both fluency and vocabulary.
Habit number 6. Keep a vocabulary journal.
Isn't that the same as learning 5 words a day?
Not quite. This habit takes your vocabulary learning to the next level. It's about writing words in context, remembering them, and actively using them later.
How exactly should I do it?
For each new word, write down the word itself, its meaning, example sentences, synonyms or antonyms, where you heard or read it.
Can you show an example?
Sure. Let's take the word enthusiastic. Meaning, showing a lot of interest or excitement. Sentence, she was enthusiastic about starting her new project. Synonym, excited, eager. Context, heard in a TED Talk.
That's very clear.
Here's a mini exercise for habit 6. Every day, pick 5 new words you learned. Write them in your journal with sentences and synonyms. Review yesterday's words. Try making new sentences with them. Speak these sentences aloud.
This makes the words stick in memory and practice speaking at the same time.
Exactly. After a few weeks, you'll have a personal English dictionary full of words you can confidently use in conversation. Habit number 7, think in English instead of translating.
That sounds really hard. I always translate in my head.
True. It's challenging at first, but translation slows you down. The faster you can think directly in English, the faster you'll speak.
How do I start?
Start with small things. Look around you and describe what you see in English. The sun is shining brightly. My coffee smells good. The street is crowded today.
So I don't translate, I just think in English directly.
Exactly. Then try narrating your thoughts and plans in English. I'm going to finish this video today. I feel excited about learning new words. I need to buy groceries after work.
How do I practice this daily?
Here's a mini exercise. Pick 5 to 10 minutes daily. Observe your surroundings or plan your day. Speak or think only in English. Avoid translating from your native language.
Gradually, it will become natural?
Yes. After consistent practice, your brain will automatically form English sentences without translation. Habit number 8. Practice with native or fluent speakers.
But I don't know any fluent speakers.
No problem. You can use language exchange apps, online communities, or even find friends who are fluent. The goal is real conversation.
Why is real conversation better than just practicing alone?
Because it forces you to think on the spot, use new words, and speak naturally. You also hear real responses, idioms, and expressions.
How long should I practice?
Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can improve fluency dramatically. Don't worry about mistakes. They are part of learning.
Can I practice asking and answering questions?
Yes. Example, what did you do yesterday? To, I went to the park and read a book. What's your favorite food? To, I love pasta with tomato sauce.
So I'm practicing sentences I might use in real life.
Exactly. Real conversation accelerates learning more than anything else. Habit number 9. Use your new vocabulary in real conversations.
Isn't that similar to the vocabulary journal?
Related, but this is about active usage. Knowing words isn't enough. You must speak them.
Can you give examples?
Sure. Suppose you learned the word thrilled. Instead of saying, I'm happy, say, I'm thrilled to meet you today. Or if you learn the word challenges, I enjoy taking on new challenges at work.
Using words in real life helps me remember them permanently.
Exactly. A mini exercise. Pick 3 to 5 new words. Try to use them today in conversation with friends, family, or even in self-talk. Repeat them multiple times to reinforce memory. Habit number 10. Set small goals and track progress.
What kind of goals?
Example goals. Learn 5 new words daily. Read aloud 10 minutes every day. Speak in English with someone for 10 to 15 minutes.
And track them.
Yes. Use a notebook or app to check off what you did each day. Celebrate small wins. Seeing progress motivates you to continue.
That makes learning structured and less overwhelming.
Exactly. English fluency isn't built in a day. Daily small steps lead to huge improvements over time. Conclusion. To summarize all 10 habits, talk to yourself in English daily. Learn and use 5 new words every day. Listen actively before speaking. Read aloud to improve pronunciation and fluency. Watch and mimic English content. Keep a vocabulary journal. Think in English, not translate. Speak with native or fluent speakers. Use new words in real conversations. Set small goals and track progress.
If you practice these habits consistently, your English fluency and vocabulary will grow faster than you ever imagined.
Remember, English is a skill, like playing a sport. Practice daily, be patient, and never stop learning.
Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll be speaking English confidently in any situation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to English with me, hit the bell icon, and start your English journey today.
Every small step in English today brings you closer to fluency tomorrow.